Well, I'm going to finish on these rear frame rails and getting some more of the sheet metal off. Going to just pick at it today. Not feeling the best, but you know, as long as you're moving forward, you're good to go. So stick around, please.
Yeah, I wanted to show you this. So I'm getting this off, and look at that perfectly round hole that had a patch over it. And if you can see, they've got Bondo in the trunk. That should, but yeah, you saw all the dirt and shit that came out of here. I'm going to keep going, but over here you can see the Bondo too. So it was definitely hit, and then they just hit and rusted, and they did a couple rather shyster things, but that's where we're at. So I'm going to keep on working. So this is what I got done so far. I got it separated from the wheelhouse with the pneumatic air hammer there. You can see where they had re-welded because they barely hit it, and same on this side. So I don't know if the frame rail is bit but sure don't look too good. And I guess tomorrow I'll get this side, but my pneumatic gun there, it does wonders. What I'm going to use the cutoff wheel for is I'm going to get some more of these up at the top there, ground loose, so that way I can get the rest of it out. And then, you know, and then I can refit this to the new drop that I have in there. So, you know, it's good. It's all good. All right, here's what I got done today. Still got that one to do, but there's one. I'm gonna have to clean up that inner and outer wheel house, and then I'm gonna measure. This doesn't look bent or kinked, so I'm hoping that this frame rail is in the right spot, but only time will tell. And to see how I got this out of here, I'm just gonna have to wait for the whole video, but as you can see, it came out pretty nicely without damaging the frame rail that's gonna stay there. So thanks for taking a look, appreciate it, and have a great day. All right, so you saw me finish up that trunk floor at the driver's side frame rail. So there it is. I'll take another picture of it real quick here. So there you go. I did it in time lapse so it wouldn't like kill you, but got one more to do. And then we'll start straightening stuff up, get the rest of these quarter panels off, and then I guess we can start putting it back together again. So there you go. I want to say thank you to everybody for taking their time out to watch these videos. You know, subscribe and like and share and all that other good stuff that you do, because it really helps me out. I appreciate it greatly. So just keep it up and have a great day. Well, today I am going to continue with taking the trunk out. I'm going to get the other side, get the passenger side. So if you have a little bit of interest in that, stick around. Last time I worked on it, we got that side of the trunk and the back of the quarter panel off. This time we're gonna take a peek at this, try and get this off the rest of the way, make sure that I get it as good as I got this one, where I can separate the wheelhouse from the trunk floor. So that's what I'm gonna do. Keep an eye out for the full-length video. It'll be coming soon. As I previously showed you, they just bondoed over everything. So today I'm gonna separate this from the wheelhouse and separate it from the trunk floor right there. Hopefully I can leave the rest of this in there. I think I can. So that's what we're gonna work on. This thing is toast, if anybody's wondering. And like I said, they bondoed that because it was all bent up from the accident. You can see it's bent up in there too. So here we go. As you can see, I'm just tearing the heck out of it, but the frame rail is not being damaged. I'm just trying to get this off as quickly as possible. Sort of got the wheelhouse separated. I got to grind up in here and get the seam exposed, and we'll just continue on grinding and smashing. So that's the plan. Well, I got that back off. I think there's one tack weld holding that section on right there. So, interesting. But we're getting it. And voila, the other side's done. It really wasn't that quick and easy, but it's done. Tomorrow, since it's a long weekend, I think I'm gonna continue on the path of taking these quarter panels off. So, all right, so I got this side off, and that was the last time you saw it. And I don't know if it's bent or not. I'm gonna look up the dimensions tonight and then take a measurement on these frame rails. But I think tomorrow I'll work on getting the rest of these quarter panels off. So we'll see what happens. and clean up my mess.
So there you go. I got it done. Moving on to the next thing. Thank you all a bunch. Like I always say, I really appreciate the support, the likes, the comments, the shares. I'll keep doing it because I like doing this stuff. So thank you very much. Have a good day.